As a person living in Aberdeen, I'm delighted to have this kind of event because not only us who live in Aberdeen, I can see lots of them came down from Inverness or Shetland and then Aberdeenshire. It also helps to develop kind of collective feeling of, in particular, northeast of Scotland.
It was really great to see Gaada coming down from Shetland. I know that they don't always get the chance to come to the mainland. It was really, really great to see them here talking about rural communities and how they engage with art in a productive way and don't force their ideas upon people, but rather work with what's there. It was really interesting.
It's a real opportunity for us being kind of based on an island to kind of come to Aberdeen and spend some time getting to know what else is happening outside of our island.
This is very inspiring for me, and I want to pass this on, and I want to actually talk to as many people here as I can because they are such wonderfully skilled people, and I think we've got a lot in common.
I was really surprised actually that there was so much community in the arts that came together in Aberdeen in particular, because it opened up my eyes a lot, because some people were saying that Aberdeen is becoming more influential in the art scene, which surprised me, but I was expecting it because there has been a lot happening in Aberdeen recently.
I like being in this large space with the wide open windows and seeing so many similar artists in like similar positions.
Such a privilege to have been invited like straight out of art school. It's exciting to kind of feel that you are making waves in what you're set out to do.
And it was really lovely to use the clay in a meditative sort of like way, and getting to chat to lots of different creative people as well. It's been really enjoyable.
There's that sense of mindfulness and thoughtfulness to it too, like interacting and seeing how your body is with this like playful immersive material. It was really fun.
It's been amazing, and I think for Aberdeen as well, it's something that's really, I think it's really nice to have AN here and to have like a discussion around this kind of communities and bringing other people from outside of Aberdeen to Aberdeen and showing them what we have here is really great.
It's about meeting people and sharing experiences and making connections for potential projects that could happen in the future, and that's definitely what a day like today feels like. There feels like there's lots of seeds of ideas all around the room, and everybody has a potential project that they're desperate to get out, and maybe we're future collaborators, and it's lovely to meet all our potential future collaborators.